Welcome to the TechHub.training Excel Bond Fund Challenge solution. So here we have our bonds. Now to find the current price, we're going to use the present value function, and we're actually going to do it on type 2 just so that I can show you guys a formula that works for all of these types of bonds. Now we're actually going to go here to this function symbol, and that will open up this window that tells us a little bit more about our arguments for this specific function. Now the rate is the interest rate per period. So we see with this bond that we have 15 years until maturity, but we also have 2 payment periods payments per year. So the total number of payment periods that we have is 30, which is 15 times 2. So we want the interest rate per period. So we're going to take this annual rate for similar bonds, and we're going to divide that by the number of payments per year. So that will give us the rate per period. Okay, and then this argument is the total number of payment periods. So that will be our 15 multiplied by the number of payments per year. Okay, payment is the payment made each period. So this is going to be our coupon payment that we receive each period. So with bonds, that is calculated by the face value of the bond multiplied by the annual coupon rate. And then since this is an annual rate, we're going to want to divide that by the number of payments per year so that we get the payment made each period. Okay, and then for this specific investment, we're going to want to add in a future value, because at the end of the period when the bond matures, we get the face value of the bond. So that will be our future value. Okay, we'll click OK. And I'm going to throw in a negative sign in front of this just so that it appears as a positive number. And then we can go ahead and copy and paste that. So we've made our formula versatile enough so that it can handle however many payments per year are made and however many years. So that makes it so we can just copy across. Now the current value of each bond type will be the product of the price and the volume of the bonds. Okay, and then we can copy this over. And then the current value of the fund is going to be the sum of all of those. Okay, so that's the total value of our fund. Now we're issuing 24,500 shares. So in order to get the price per share, we're going to want to take the current value of the fund and divide that by the number of shares. So once we make this fund, if we made it today, then this is the price at which we'd want to issue the fund shares. Great, I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.